Ford, Ruben, the Bohemian Cowboy. Looks like we got a wreck up here. And everybody's slowing down here. Got the emergency vehicles stand to the left here. And people out here holding signs and stuff. And traffic emergency ahead. So we don't know exactly what it is there. Well, there's a fire truck here, back here, blocking the road. And emergency site ahead. Maybe they got everything just about all cleaned up, it looks like here, probably. Looks like somebody must have hit that guardrail over here. Well, yeah, it looks like it's all cleaned up. Just emergency vehicles parked here right now on a cop. Oh, right there it is. There's the one vehicle hit the guardrail. But, don't look like there's any trucks involved. Maybe a couple cars. Unless there was, I don't know what the rest of the accident was there like there, but one of them hit a rail there too there, so happy trails, be safe, bye.